So I'm starting now. You have 2 children and 5 grandkids, and your grandfather's name was Lowry Baxter. And your grandmother's grandfather was Lowry Baxter. Grandmother was Annie Lee. And you've got how many grandchildren?
5.
5. And do they live in this part?
Yes, ma'am. I live in Ayrton.
And you're a member here at this church.
Ma'am.
Where do you live?
I just live at Baxter Station.
And
we
you're
go to Ayrton, the church.
Oh, okay. Well, but you were raised in this church.
I was.
Yeah. Well, all righty. And you're the first person to come in and say howdy. What's the story on that dog outside?
I don't know. It scared me when I seen him.
Well, he wagged his tail at me, so I'm not afraid. Yeah.
Must be Helen or somebody. I don't know.
And your name again is what?
Jeffrey Earl Baxter.
Jeffrey Earl Baxter, and your father's name was Earl. William Earl. And what else? You are retired from the Army, and you were only in for 41 years.
Yep.
You wish you could have stayed another 41.
I could have.
Never mind.